If you've ever opened Grammarly and seen a passive voice suggestion that feels wrong, or you're trying to fix a sentence but Grammarly keeps flagging it in a way that doesn't make sense, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to correct passive voice misuse in Grammarly quickly and correctly, so your writing stays clear, natural, and accurate. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Grammarly in your browser and go to your document. You can either create a new document or open an existing one that already contains the sentence you want to fix. Once your document is open, look for the sentence that Grammarly has highlighted or that you believe is being flagged for passive voice. Now, highlight the sentence with your mouse. This is important because Grammarly works best when you select the exact text you want to review or edit. By highlighting the sentence, you make it much easier to focus on the part that needs correction instead of changing the entire paragraph unnecessarily. Once the sentence is selected, start typing or rewriting the phrase in a way that removes the passive voice misuse. In many cases, Grammarly will automatically suggest a correction as soon as it recognizes the pattern. If that happens, review the suggestion carefully. Sometimes the tool is helping you make the sentence stronger, but other times it may need your judgment to keep the meaning exactly the way you want it. If Grammarly offers a correction, read it slowly and compare it to your original sentence. Ask yourself whether the new version sounds more direct and whether it still says exactly what you intended. If the updated sentence works better, accept the correction. If not, you can manually adjust the wording until it feels natural and accurate. A helpful tip here is to focus on the subject and the action in the sentence. Passive voice often hides who is doing the action, so one of the best ways to fix it is to make the subject perform the action more clearly. That usually makes your writing easier to read and more confident in tone. After making the change, take a second look at the full sentence in context. This step matters because a correction that looks good on its own may still sound awkward inside the paragraph. Read the sentence out loud if you can. If it sounds smoother and more direct, you've probably fixed it correctly. If Grammarly continues to flag the same sentence, don't panic. Sometimes the issue is not actually passive voice misuse, but wording that could be improved for clarity. In that case, try rephrasing the sentence in a more active style, or split a long sentence into two shorter ones. That often resolves the warning and improves readability at the same time. You can also use this method when editing blog posts, emails, essays, or professional documents. The process is the same every time. Open the document, highlight the sentence, review Grammarly's suggestion, and correct the wording so it sounds clearer and more active. The more you practice this, the easier it becomes to spot passive voice problems on your own. So to recap, the simple way to correct passive voice misuse in Grammarly is to open your document, highlight the sentence with your mouse, type in the correction or review Grammarly's suggestion, and let the tool help you refine it. Then always double check the final sentence to make sure it still reads naturally and keeps your intended meaning. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Grammarly tutorials and software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.